You wake up. It's Monday. Coffee in hand, you check your emails. 5 invoices are still unpaid. Your stomach twists. Bills, rent, groceries, all waiting. You pick up your phone, heart racing, hoping for good news. Nothing. Silence. Panic rises. You pace the room, thoughts swirl. How will I get through this week? You try to breathe, but the worry clings. Every second feels heavy. Your hands shake. Even small tasks seem impossible. You glance at the clock. It's still early, but the stress hits like a storm. Heart pounding, you sit back and feel trapped. The week hasn't even started, yet you feel behind, out of control, and anxious about every bill and payment waiting for you. You sit at your desk, staring at the numbers. $5,000, $3,200, $7,800, unpaid. Each email ping makes your heart jump. You open your bank app, no deposits. Again and again. Anxiety builds like a wave. Bills stack, calls go unanswered. Your chest tightens. You imagine everything going wrong. Late fees, angry clients, unpaid bills. You rub your temples. Your mind races. Am I the only one stuck like this? Every minute adds pressure. You feel small, helpless. The room feels heavier. Your phone buzzes again. Another reminder. You try to plan, but stress blocks you. You lean back, close your eyes, hoping for a solution. Waiting has never felt this painful. You need action, but time slips away. You remember the bank emails, Section 13, earmarked loans, repayment rules. It sounded simple before, but now it feels like a maze. You need help, but don't know how to get it. Risk feels huge. One wrong move could make everything worse. You flip through notes, trying to understand. Every tick of the clock reminds you of deadlines. Your heartbeat races. You feel trapped. Anxiety spreads like fire. The panic mixes with pressure. If you fail to act fast, the consequences will hit hard. You imagine worst-case scenarios in your head, one after another. Sweat forms on your brow. You feel frozen, but deep down, you know you must find a way. Every second counts. Every decision matters. You sit back and realize some delays are your fault. Missed follow-ups, ignored reminders. Small mistakes have grown into a mountain. You slumped in your chair, head in hands. Fear hits hard. Your phone buzzes. Payment overdue. Your stomach knots. It's more than money. It's your life, your work, your reputation. Panic and frustration mix. You replay your decisions, wishing you could change them. You know you need to act fast, or it will spiral. Small tasks now feel impossible. Sweat drips down your temple. You close your eyes for a moment, trying to breathe. One thing is clear. You cannot avoid this. You must fix it. You must plan step by step and face the problem head on. You imagine the consequences. Late bills, angry clients, lost trust. Small mistakes magnify. You drop a pen, spill coffee, pace endlessly. Worst-case scenarios play in your mind. Bankruptcy, unpaid staff, ruined reputation. Panic grows. Sweat beads your forehead. You feel trapped and powerless. Fear grips your chest. But deep inside, you know staying frozen won't help. Doing nothing is worse. You need action, fast. Even small steps matter. You focus on what can be done now. Each small action feels like a tiny victory. You remind yourself, step by step, solve one thing at a time. The storm inside your head rages, but at least now you see a way forward. You remember some tips, cash flow hacks, emergency loans, smart reminders. Slowly, hope appears. You start listing options, which invoices to chase today, which bills can wait. Maybe a small bank advance will cover the gap. Anxiety's still there, but a thread of control forms, one step at a time. One call, one email, one payment. Your chest still tightens, but your mind starts to calm. Panic hasn't vanished, but it feels manageable. Tiny victories build confidence. You whisper to yourself, I can handle this, slowly but surely. The storm shrinks, you see a path. Action replaces fear. Step by step, you regain control, inch by inch. You write a small plan. Each invoice, each bill, each payment listed. Budget checked. Emergency funds ready. You take action. Send reminders, confirm deposits, adjust schedules. Anxiety lessens with each tiny success. Your heart still races, but calmer. You tell yourself, step by step, one problem at a time. Your breathing slows, hands steadier. Progress appears, small but real. You feel capable. Storms still hover, but they are no longer overwhelming. You repeat, I can do this. Confidence grows. One by one, obstacles shrink. You see the path clearly. Each micro action matters. Slowly, you reclaim control over your finances and your day. By evening, things aren't perfect, but you feel grounded. Bills, invoices, emergencies still exist, but panic has faded. Your chest feels lighter. Action replaced fear. Rules, tools, micro strategies, they help. Coffee in hand, you check progress. Small wins, yes, but progress. Relief and pride mix. Week isn't perfect, but Monday is survived. You whisper, step by step, I've got this. Calm fills you. One problem at a time, you know you can face the week. Anxiety is no longer crushing. You feel ready, capable, in control. You exhale slowly. A small smile forms. You survived Monday, and that's enough. One step at a time, the rest of the week can be managed.